Hi, my name is Katyusha, your sex coach. This is the place to be if you wish to learn about healthy sexuality, about how to become an amazing lover, and how to become the best version of yourself in general in life. If this sounds great, please consider to subscribe and let's dive in. And stay until the end because I have something extra special for you. 3 subtle signs a woman is ready to have sex with you. This is not a video about a physical signs when she is ready for penetration. I'm going to break it down for you in this video right here. In today's video, the scenario is that you've been dating for some time and you are ready to take things to the next level, and how to know whether she is ready or not. I'm going to give you 3 subtle signs to know if she is ready to sleep with you. Number 1, physical proximity. She is completely comfortable with you touching her body, and she is touching your body herself, right? She puts her arm around your waist, she touches your legs, maybe in her thighs. She leans back and relaxes with your arm around her shoulders, right? She reaches out for a kiss. She's relaxed and at ease with you. That means that she's really getting comfortable with you and she's getting ready to have sex with you. Number 2, when she starts talking about sex a lot, maybe throwing some sexual innuendos. When she starts talking sex, asking you questions, inquiring about things, maybe sharing some of her experience or just talking about sex in general, that's a very good indication that she wants to move things to the next level. Number 3, when she agrees to go to your place. We're talking about romantic situation, right? If you're her friend and she feels safe with you, you've been friends for a while, sure, I'll go to my friend's house. But if you have been dating for some time and you are romantically involved, and if she goes to your house, she knows that it might happen and she's okay with it. Now, that said, it might not happen, right? So what usually happens, and it should be in your place, right? We're like when you take charge, when you invite, when you do things for us, when you cook for us, right? So it's usually like you go for a coffee, for a drink, and then you go on a couple of dates, and then it's like, okay, let me cook for you, or you invite her in, right? And then you maybe have a drink, a glass of wine, and maybe you do some dancing, and then you kiss. And then if she does not stop you, right? That's a good sign. She's ready. Now, if she stops you, please stop. And I know it's so frustrating and it's hard to stop, but you got to do it. What could happen to her, that she might realize that she's not ready. Something can trigger her. She gets scared, or she just changes her mind altogether. But for this not to happen, you know what you can do? Give it some time, quality time, to get to know someone, for these things not to happen. And if they do, it's not a big deal. Just wait for it. It will happen eventually. But no, if you choose to go to your place, if she's mature, she knows what's going to happen. You know that I'm thinking, when I was very young, I used to go to, I don't know, I used to do stupid things. I used to go to a man's place. I didn't really know them. I was definitely not ready to have sex, but I would just go. I was all alone here and I just wanted to have friends and to belong, and men wanted different things. So anyway, even if the woman goes to your house and she says no, she's young and mature, then no. But if you're dating an older woman and you're all adults and you all want to get intimate, chances are, if she's in your place, she knows that it might go that way. And because you stayed until the end, I'm going to give you a great tip. Don't have sex before you actually can talk about it. Right? Talk about sex, express your concerns, express your wishes and desires, get comfortable talking about it, right? And once you do that, go ahead and have sex. And I also have something special for you. I've prepared step-by-step testicle massage guide to boost your sexual virility and stamina. You can download it. The link will be down below. If this sounds good to you, please remember to subscribe, like it, share it with anyone who needs it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.